Hello guys, good day and welcome to another brand new video on the light Bagct collection. So what we'll be making today is lunchbox. As you can see, lunchbox. This is the illustration. I'll be explaining that in few seconds now, and this is what we'll be making. I will also show you the picture of the one we've made, the bigger one. This is the smaller one. This is the measurement, and make sure to leave a comment if you want the measurement for the bigger one. So without no further ado, let's start making this and we shall see you on the other side. Make sure to subscribe, like, leave a comment, share with your friend. For those of you that are watching that are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button and click the small bell so that you'll be notified each and every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and let's proceed. Thanks. Hello guys, welcome to another video on the light Bagct collection. So what we'll be doing today is how to create a launch box, maybe DIY, or maybe you have a Bagct company, you have different design, but this is another design, much easier, just a 2 parts. So this is the diagram, or this is the illustration of the launch box. So as you can see on the board, let me start from the top, from the strap. Here you are seeing this is the hand, this is the handle. This tray 12.5 by 5, this is the handle that will go up. I will show you what the one we have started in seconds. So the height of the bag, actually this is not the main one, this is a portable one, the smaller one. I will be sending the measurement for the bigger one for you guys. So this is the height of the lunchbox, 9.5. Then this is the deep, which is the side, which is 5. Then we have the front, the length, which is 9 inches. This is 5 inches, and this is 9.5 inches. So, and what I just say earlier is that this lunchbox you are seeing here is just in 2 parts. You cut it in 2 parts, then you assemble it. So the first part you'll be cutting is this side you are seeing here. From here you cut one that will go to the other side. Just from this side here, it will be side, front, okay, let's say side right, front, and side left, which is what I've indicated here. This is the front, this is side right, and this is side left. It's now 19, because when you calculate, this is 5, the other side is 5, which is 10 plus this 9 that is we are using the front. This is now 19. Then it will be 19 by 9.5, which is the height. If you are cutting, when you cut this place, which is the length, then you cut the height, which is now the 9.5. Then the top, the back, and the bottom, which is this, the bottom, back, and the top, is 19.5 by 9. Because when you calculate, here is 5, here the down is 5, which is the bottom is 5, then the top as well is 5. Then the height of the bag, which is 9.5, that's why we have the 19.5 here. 5 plus 5, which is 10, then 9.5. Why this? That's the reason why we have this 19.5 by 9. When you are cutting it, it will be by 9. Then we have the strap here. The strap is the strap rope that will go from the right hand side to the left hand side for you to be able to carry. Apart from the handle at the top is 45 inch. Then we have the zip, the measurement for you to get your zip, because your zip will be located in this place you see here. This place, this is where your zip will be located. So for you to get your measurement, the measurement of your zip, you calculate from this side, which is 5 by 9 by 5. Then you plus it together, which is now the 19. Your zip is now the 19. So I hope you guys understand all the measurements the way I explained it. So now the next thing is for us to proceed to the sewing and the cutting. I've already cut it. I've even started assemble it before I decide to make this video before, but when I start, I say I'm going to make another one, but it's not good to be prolonging what you want to do for you guys. So I decide, when I just started, and I decide to make the video. So let's proceed to, let me show you what I've made so far. So as I was saying, there's no basic measurement for this handle. You just measure how the length from this place to this place, then you include how you want it to go up, then you make your handle. So I use the adjuster, then I use this rope, then I use the taping rope, which is the smaller one compared to the one I show you. That one is much bigger. As you can see, this one is the smaller one compared to this. Is much bigger. So apart from that, what I use again, I use this adjuster as well. Just the square, I won't say this is square because two sides are the same, the other side are the same. The four sides are not square. I use it. Then our zip rope as well. This is our zip. I've inserted it already, and this is our zip head. As you can see, this is the zip head I'm using. So by the way, that's that. Then apart from that, the main material you'll be using, this is the main material. Then your foam, which is the interface that will make the bag to stand, your foam. Then the warmer, this is the main warmer. I'm not using the one that is shiny, I just use this ordinary warmer. So this is the warmer. It's just three material: the warmer, the foam and the main material. Then your taping rope, your main rope for the strap and the handle. Then apart from that, your adjuster, then the other adjuster ring, then your zip rope and your zip head. So let's proceed. And first, as you can see at the first side where I show you on the illustration where you put your zip, as you can see, I've already put my zip, and this is a taping rope I use. Then you pull your zip on top of it. As you can see, I can see that you guys are seeing it clearly. This is how I've done it, and this is how you do it. And for you to get what I'm doing here already, you fold this down one, the one you insert your zip to, you fold it into two and measure and cut it from the center. It's not that you cut, you just indicate where the center is. Then this long one that will be from the bottom, the back and the top, you also fold it into two this way. You fold it into two this way and also indicate the center. Then you place it on each other the way I've placed it on the machine. You place it, you stitch it, then you start taping it with your taping rope. So I will proceed now. I've already taped to a side. I will turn it and continue taping, and we shall see as the process is going. And make sure to subscribe to this channel if you are new. There are a lot of videos that will be coming up. Make sure to subscribe, and you can also watch our previous video we've made on this channel before. Like, share with your friend, leave a comment on what you think, anything you don't understand, or the material I forget to mention, or maybe the measurement. If you want the bigger measurement, leave a comment as well so I can send it for you guys. Thanks for watching, and let's proceed to the next part and finish assemble the bag. Thank you guys. So welcome back guys. As I've said that I've already started the making of the lunchbox. I'll just show you what I've done so far. So let me start by showing you the material I'll be using for it first. So this is one of the material I'll be using. This is the adjuster. I know you by now, you guys are used to it. This is adjuster, the small one. Then I use a rope for the handle. As I've said in the illustration above, this handle, there's no basic measurement for it. It's just how you want it to be, how you want the handle to be here. That's how you cut it. As you can see here, I've left a very good space for me to do it. So this is the progress of what I've made so far. In few seconds now, or few minutes, I will finish assembling it. Then we'll talk more in depth on the lunchbox. This is everything. As you can see, it's just in one piece. It's just the two parts, then you join. So let me just proceed, then after I finish sewing it, finish making it, then we'll talk more. So guys, welcome back. This is the finished product of the lunchbox. As you can see, I've finished fixing the handle, the strap and everything, and this is how it is. So here is it. This is everything. So by the way, this side, you guys may be wondering the measurement I use for it. From the top, after you fix the zip, you measure 3 inch to top of this ring. If you want to measure it up to this place, I know when I cut this, I cut 3.5, but when I fold it, it will not be more than 2.5. So this is the length for you to fix this. From the top is 3 inch from the zip to the head of the ring. This place I put my hand. Then this side, you know, is 5. You share it into 2. You make sure this is at the middle. That's how you get that. And this is everything from our illustration, our draft. So this is everything as well. As you can see, this is where the zip is. This is where we indicate with insert the zip. This is the side, and you see it's just 2 parts we cut, and we start sewing from the center, and we sew round and came back to the center. So this is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe, leave a comment on what you think, share this video with your friends, and stay tuned for new videos that are coming on this channel. For those of you that are watching that have not subscribed, please subscribe, because people watching my video are more than even 3, let me say, they are 3/4 of the people that are subscribed. So please make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one.